once again, you are most welcome.
Izoberi ya nyumwabazyo oli Deputy Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Taibwa ahamwe na Speaker w'Ishengyero eri Czech Republic Right Honorable Tomiyo Okamura basibire batayireho irindiro ry'enyamishwa eri Bwindi Impenetrable heri kushangwa omuri district ya Kisoro. Elizoba omuhezi wa Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Taibwa yayanjurira Ishengyero okwashendekize oli Speaker wa Czech Republic kandi obirayiziro mu ihanga okubasa kumurambuza bimwe aha bintu ebi ihanga rya Uganda line kandi biye byo mutano.
So he gave me very strong insights on tourism and what we need to do as a country to be able, because he didn't know, for example, that he can do safari in Uganda. So he first went to another country, did safari, and then came to Uganda for gorillas. So that means we need to do a lot as a country in terms of marketing our country and packaging it so that we are not only known for gorillas.
Taibwa ahantu ho yashabira Abanyishengyero hamwe n'Abanyayuganda bona aho bari Kwejumbira omukurambure byona ebyihanga line rero tubase kubahweraho mu kubasa kubigambira amahanga agaheru.
So after we interacted with the communities, we entertained us very, very well, and they raised some issues. First of all, they appreciated UWA and especially the new ED for the support to the communities around Bwindi Impenetrable National Park. They've done like a sort of a community market, crafts market for the Batwa and other members of the community.
Abanyishengyero basima Speaker w'Ishengyero heri ya Czech Republic ahabo kwasa kwije mu Uganda hakarambara kandi akagaruka akaba ambassador wa Uganda o mahanga gandi.
I want to congratulate you and welcome you back from Bwindi. In the same voice, I want to congratulate His Excellency, the Czech Speaker, for having visited Kwejumbira and the Kisoro district. I think that when the President said that there is no more sleep, Right Honorable Speaker, that was a good lesson for you. Now you went there, you are not sleeping. May I use the same opportunity that I call upon the ministers, Honorable Wanyoto doesn't know Kisoro, and others. Please follow the Speaker, wake up, go and visit and market this country. I thank you very much.
Of the Czech Republic, I saw you naming a chimpanzee or gorilla Thomas, and that is what excited me so much. That excited me so much.
It wasn't me.
And as a destination for tourism, but also most importantly for accepting to appoint himself to be our ambassador for tourism. And Mr. Speaker, the visiting Speaker, I want to add that if you can accept, you also become our ambassador for investment and trade.
Nabanyuma Taibwa yashaba abari kuri kitongore ecenguto mu ihanga okubasa kombeka enguto zona heziri kwaniza mu marindiro g'amanyamishwa kiyambeho okutambuza je abarambuzi.
The road. But I told the Speaker that we just gave him an automatic massage. It was just a digital African massage through the cars. And he was, by the way, very appreciative.
Minister w'Eby'Oburambuzi mu ihanga Honorable Susan Nsambu Nakawuchi mukugamba kwe yasima Speaker wa Czech Republic ahabo kwija hakarambura Uganda kandi yamushaba okureba ngo abantu mu ihanga lye nabo babasa kwija mu Uganda okubasa kureba oburungi bwa Uganda.
And I would also like to thank you, Right Honorable Speaker, for being such a great host. Also, Right Honorable Speaker, I'd like to thank you for choosing Bwindi for Right Honorable Speaker, because it's only in Bwindi where gold meets silver.
Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Tayari West.
Near the boundary. So when they see those pocket full, sometimes they can be forced.